A tiny baby elephant lets out a desperate trumpet, its voice trembling with fear as rushing floodwaters tear it away from its family. Its little trunk swings helplessly, fighting against the powerful current that threatens to sweep it away. Mud churns and water crashes around its small, shaking body. Just as hope seems lost, a faint, familiar trumpet echoes through the chaos. The baby pauses, ears perked, then begins to wade, step by trembling step, toward the sound of its mother. Waiting on higher ground,